Hi, my name is Sam Mangino. I'm the staff writer of Home here at Reviewed, and today we're going to be reviewing the Bissell Little Green Machine 1400B. The Bissell Little Green Machine 1400B is a portable carpet cleaner. The Bissell Little Green Machine is very small, however it does feature two 48-ounce tanks, which means you can fit a lot of cleaning solution as well as a lot of whatever you're kind of vacuuming up from the carpet. The Bissell Little Green Machine has a brush which disperses all of the cleaning solution at the same time that these very stiff bristles will get in there and scrub out any tough stains. It's a lot smaller than a traditional carpet cleaner, which makes it easy to tote around your home if you need to clean your couch, if you need to clean your car, if you need to clean any carpets in any room in your house. Here are some things we like about the Bissell Little Green Machine. First off, the Bissell Little Green Machine is exceptionally easy to use. All you have to do to get started is plug it in, turn it on, and fill up this tank with the cleaning solution and water that you need. After you do that, you can decide if you want to pre-treat by spraying the area that you're trying to tackle stain removal with, or you can simultaneously spray and brush at the same time. Probably one of the most satisfying parts of using the Bissell Little Green Machine is watching everything that you're getting cleaned out of your upholstery come out and into the other tank where all that wastewater is being distributed. If you're tackling some specific stains, you'll get to see that come out slowly as you're using the machine, but for things you're just generally cleaning, you don't necessarily know if it's working. However, you really can tell because you're going to see it all in that wastewater. We all think we're pretty clean, but once you use this, you're going to see what's really hiding in all your upholstery. At just over 12 inches tall, this has a very low profile, which means it's very easy to store. You're not going to be adding another vacuum-sized appliance to your home if you bring in the Bissell Little Green Machine. This is about 10 pounds without any water in it, which makes it very easy if you need to tuck it up on a shelf, and you won't have to clear out a whole closet to fit this anywhere. It can tuck in along all your other cleaning appliances. Although we really like the Bissell Little Green Machine, there are some cons to consider before you purchase. One of the things to consider is that these tanks spill very easily. This is something you want to consider when you're filling them up and getting cleaning. There is a part that closes off, however there is an open part on the tank as well that you kind of have to balance to make sure the water stays inside, and that can be a little cumbersome, especially if you have any mobility issues or you just find the tank to be fairly heavy. So we recommend at the very least keeping the machine and the water tank fairly close together once you're filling up that tank. One thing I noticed while I was testing the Bissell Little Green Machine is that the brush head can't handle a lot of hair. This is especially important to remember if you're cleaning upholstery that gets a lot of pet hair, a lot of traffic in those areas. The brush head is going to suck everything out, however all of those hairs will get stuck in that brush head and kind of prevent how effective you're cleaning. You can still do it, however it's going to require a lot of stop and starting and really getting in there to pick out that hair. This machine is small, which is great because it's portable, however that means it's not necessarily made to clean large surfaces. This is a great spot treatment. So if you're just trying to tackle those little stains or a small chair, even a couple couch cushions, this is going to be great. However, if you're going to try and tackle that large area rug with this machine, it's going to take you a long time. Overall, the pros are it's easy to use, you can see how well it's working, and it's portable and easy to store. Some of the cons are the water tank spills easily, it can't handle a lot of hair, and it's not made to clean large surfaces. Should you buy the Bissell Little Green Machine 1400B? Yes, you definitely should. This is a great investment, especially if you're someone who's prone to spills in your household. If you're someone who gets those little spots on your couch or just generally wants to keep up with your upholstery, this is a great investment to make. At just around $100, this is going to be easy to store, easy to use, and keep your upholstery looking fresh. For the full review, head to reviewed.com. Thanks for watching. Also, my nails match.